boy, double MC. Life is too short. Yo, so if you love somebody, show me if you love somebody. Tell me if you love somebody. Yeah, just tell somebody, I love you. Yeah, yeah. I'm not afraid to shout it. Hey, I'm not afraid to shout it. Oh, na na na. I love you. Say yeah, and there is no shame about it. So I'm not afraid to shout it.
Hi you guys, so my sister-in-law had gave me an idea where that one, but we was talking about chicken Popeye's chicken sandwiches and such, and I ain't gonna lie you guys, the Popeye chicken sandwich did not spark my interest the way the hype was. Like, I feel like it was pretty plain for something that caused lines and lines of like it was ridiculous. So I decided to do like a comparison. So I was making my own version of the chicken Popeyes while I also bought chicken Popeyes too. So alright you guys, so as you see I made two sandwiches, and I toasted the bread. It's a brioche bread. I got lettuce for like bedding. The chicken was breaded. If you want a recipe, well, let me not skip. I'll tell that at the end. And then this is my relish that I made. Get out. Pickles, red onions, jalapeno, and apple jam. Blended together to make a relish to add like a little sweet to the chicken. Alright you guys, as you can see, my taste tester is my husband and Steffi.
What up?
Who am I?
My sister-in-law that's mentioned in every video.
Yes, sir.
My ugly little sister.
I look better than you.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Those are facts.
Don't touch anything.
You capping it.
You
Capping it.
Big drip. I fell in love with a lip. Hey.
It's on both of our plates or just
Yes,
one plate?
it's on still.
So
So,
I can't see.
alright, Steffi, your hand.
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. This is the first burger you're gonna try, the one on the left.
The left.
Yep.
To the left.
Oh,
To
this
the
one is
left.
hot.
I cannot see it. I go the other side. So you gotta eat the whole thing?
No, just take one or two bites, savor it. And
You know I need more than two savor.
Cause you're a fat ass.
I like one.
Oh, guys, you still got to bite for the second. I don't want to hear y'all too full. Okay, enough bites.
Yeah, okay. I think I taste pickle.
All right, now go for the sandwich on your right when you're done chewing. Did anybody need any water?
I was just about to say no, Bev. I'll take some.
Ready, Steffi?
No.
Oh, shit. Steffi, bite your lip sandwich.
I need a second. I need another one of those.
Yeah, I cannot even see it. Wow.
That's the whole point, Steffi.
I know, Gibson. I just corrected myself in my head.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Alright, no more biting. I just took a bite. No more. Damn, hungry. Alright, here's your water to clear your palate. Steffi, did you savor the flavor
I just bit both.
at the same time?
No. You said bite the sandwich.
Yes. Did you bite the second sandwich?
Yeah.
Here's your water.
Thank you. I feel like I look like a big dummy in this
Alright, are you guys ready?
video.
Yeah.
I need one more bite.
Steffi,
Wait. Where did I bite?
two. Wow. Zeus, I don't have any for you. Go to bed.
Mm-hmm. You said, I want to be part of this.
All right. You good, Steffi?
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, you guys. Which sandwich did you like the most? The first one or the second one?
The right one.
Can,
I like this one because it had more flavor.
the one on the right?
Yeah.
What you like about the one on the right?
The one on the right had more flavor and taste.
Yeah.
It was
The
thick.
one on the left, like, it tastes plain to me.
It tastes plain?
Yeah.
Really?
The one on the right had, mouth watering.
You
Word. I took a bite and I was like,
Yeah, I took a bite. I was like, yo, I need another bite of this.
Word. That's when you was like, clean your palate. I'm like, wait. I want
Right? Clean her palate. She gotta taste it first before she clean her palate.
Word.
The food is still in her mouth. She clean her palate. She can't taste it.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Nah.
Take your bandanas off.
Now I'm inspired. Wait, are you gonna count down?
No, just go ahead. Take it off.
Oh.
Can you tell which one was which?
Yeah.
I low-key could because this shit is fat as fuck.
Yeah, I could have told her, like, this one mad greasy.
I like this one better, so sorry, Popeyes.
Right. Popeyes.
All right. I look fat. Oh my God.